we got Dave here, hooked on a sturgeon on the Rainy River. That's Canada.
What's with the bubbles way back there? Did you see that?
Must be his buddies. Trying to get a good fucking video. I don't think I can do it though. Trying to get you the angles, buddy.
Oh shit.
That's big, bro.
Look at it.
That's a big fish, though.
You see it?
Yeah, it's a big fish. That's funny.
See how fat that thing is?
No.
Holy shit. I want you to come back up. Watch. Watch.
Oh yeah, that's a fucking monster, dude. I'm about to put paws on this bitch so I can grab it. That's huge, dude.
Did you get a good look at it?
Yeah. It has to be at least. It has to be at least like 68. At least. How big that tail is. Yeah, it's fucking thick, dude. The love of God. Yeah, it's probably in the 60s for sure. Oh yeah.
That is a pig.
Yeah, just fight it, dude. Don't fucking.
Joy.
I wonder if I can pull it in on my own. I think I can.
I don't know, Chris. This is gonna be a pretty big fish.
I think I'll fucking be able to pull it in. Once you get close to it, I'll press pause and I'll. Look at that head on that.
Did you see all the lampreys on it too?
Oh my god, dude. I'm gonna pull this bitch in the boat. She's huge. That's fucking how thick it is. How thick it is, dude.
Dude.
Like you can't really tell, but it's a big fucking fish.
His damn lamprey outfit. He'll be happy.
Oh, they're scary.
Shit, I put your line back.
Here, get out of the way real fast.
Oh, she's probably around 6.
Look how thick she is though, dude. Holy fuck. Hold it.
Tip of the nose, hold on. Right there.
72, dude. Big fish.
Oh, it's Girther. Are you taking video, right?
Yeah.
$30 there. 29. So I can see what it looks like. Damn near 30 inches.
Jesus Christ. It's a big fish.
Ready to take some bomb ass photos?
Yeah.
Oh,
yeah.
She kicked.
Bro, that shit was massive. That was the biggest sturgeon I've ever seen. And I pulled it in like butter.